Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to move drop down sub menu item on hover in Elementor mobile layout in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in mobile layout and we are using Elementor theme and plugin. Now you see sub menu, sub item. So this is our drop down. So when we hover on it, so we are going to move position on left side or right side or up or down by using custom CSS. So we are going to move drop down menu, sub menu item position on left side, right side, up or down on hover using custom CSS in Elementor mobile layout in WordPress. Now you see when we hover on it, so we are going to add custom CSS. First go to Elementor header. So this is a WordPress menu and we added CSS ID, font size, sub menu. So you can add CSS ID according to requirement and then click on publish. So after that we are going to add custom CSS. Now go to mobile layout again and we are going to find out sub menu item, class or ID, right click on it and then click on inspect. So after that we are going to use combination of WordPress menu, item widget ID and sub menu item, class or ID combine in custom CSS. Now inspect element open and then you see li and then you see link and then you see class elementor sub item. So we are going to use this class with our widget class or ID we added. Now you see we added CSS ID. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS and we are using media screen maximum width 1024 pixel. So we are going to apply CSS maximum width screen 1024. Now paste and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see font size sub menu and then you see class transition transform 0.5. Again you see font size sub menu elementor sub item colon hour and then you see transform translateX 5 pixel. If you want to move right or left then you can add pixel in positive or negative number. So we are moving on hover on x-axis. If you want to move sub menu sub item on hover on y-axis then you can add translate y capital Y and then if you want to move up or down then you can add -5 or +5 pixel and then click on publish and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now go to mobile and refresh the page. Now open menu. Now expand. Now you see when we hover on it, now you see sub menu item move position. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.